Here are the 5 best overnight diapers, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But the real mistake is buying the familiar pack, then stripping a damp crib sheet before coffee. The fix isn't brand loyalty, it's leg fit, overnight absorbency, and the laundry routine you'll actually keep. Night diapers are about fit at the legs, absorbency under pressure, and how much laundry your routine can survive. Let's move. Number 5. Huggies OverNites. If you already like Huggies fit, this is the familiar overnight move I'd try first. It's a disposable diaper, so the routine stays simple. Use it, toss it, restock it. The proof point is the leak score, which is strong at 9.1, so the leg-in-way seal is the reason it makes the list. But here's the catch. Absorbency lands at 4.3, and that gap matters overnight. So I wouldn't pick this for a baby who regularly soaks through before morning. Skip it if you want the strongest absorbency profile here, because this one is more about secure fit than all-night holding power. Number 4. Rumparooz G3 Pocket. Want cloth, but don't want it to feel flimsy after constant use? This is the reusable pocket-style pick I'd consider for families who already accept laundry as part of diapering. Its comfort score is 9.0, and durability is close behind at 9.4, which points to a diaper built for repeated wear. That matters when you're washing, stuffing, and reusing the same pieces over and over. But the trade-off is convenience, because cloth adds sorting, washing, drying, and setup before bedtime. Skip it if you want disposable level ease, or if top absorbency is the whole point. Its absorbency score is 4.8, so routine matters more here. Number 3. GroVia O.N.E. This is the cloth option I'd pick before Rumparooz if overnight leaks scare you more than laundry. It's still a cloth diaper, so you're choosing a reusable setup instead of a trashcan routine. The standout number is leak performance at 9.4, paired with durability at 9.5, which makes it feel like the sturdier cloth bed here. That combination is why it climbs above the other reusable pick. But absorbency is 5.0, so it doesn't beat the best disposable diapers at the thing most parents mean by overnight. Skip it if you want the easiest bedtime routine, or if washing diapers already sounds like tomorrow's regret. Number 2. Pampers Baby Dry. This is the practical pick if you don't want separate daytime and overnight diaper stacks. It's a disposable diaper, and I'd choose it for parents who want one line that can cover the regular day-to-night rhythm. The useful number is the overall score of 78, which puts it above the cloth options while keeping the routine dead simple. Its leak score is also solid at 8.3, so it's not here as a weak compromise. But the trade-off is that absorbency lands at 7.8, below the top Pampers overnight pick. Skip it if your main problem is morning saturation, because the number 1 pick is stronger there. Number 1. Pampers Swaddlers Overnights. This is the one I'd buy for a disposable overnight setup that doesn't turn bedtime into a science project. It's built for parents who want the strongest absorbency result here, with a 9.0 absorbency score and an overall score of 84. That means it's the clearest pick for the exact problem this list is solving: fewer wet wake-ups and fewer sheet changes. But the trade-off is ingredients. This diaper includes lotion, fragrance, and pigments, which some parents try to avoid for their baby's skin routine. So skip it if you're committed to cloth, or if those additives are already on your no-buy list. If you want the least friction, stay with Pampers Swaddlers Overnights or Pampers Baby Dry. If you want reusable, GroVia is my cloth-first pick, with Rumparooz behind it. Huggies make sense only when that familiar fit already works for your baby. Before you buy, check your baby's current size range, your tolerance for additives, and whether laundry is realistic this month. Prices and pack sizes change, so check before you buy. My pick is Pampers Swaddlers Overnights for disposable overnight absorbency. Choose Baby Dry for one-line simplicity, or GroVia if cloth is the plan. Links are in the description.